Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and today you get a twofer. I'm going to do a book review and we're going to have dinner. So the name of the book is 100 Day Pantry, and it's by Jan Jackson. And what it is all pantry staples, from canned meat to pastas to rices to canned vegetables, anything that would be in your pantry that's not fresh. She puts together menus just using those items. So you could go through here and pull out things that your family likes, and then you could go to the grocery store and buy 1, 2, 3, 4 of each of the items in the recipe, and then you have that many days of food for not very much. So today we're going to do Granny Made Plenty, which I've had before, so I know it's good. And so we're just going to get started on show you what you need. The item up is a can of beef. All right. Now, generally these cans have like a layer of fat across the top. It doesn't. I don't like it. Okay. So I always take that off right off rip. So when we start to put this stuff in here, I'm going to show you that I take that white fatty yuck out. But then it'll be good. It'll be good, trust me. Then you're going to need some macaroni. You only need like a half of a box, 8 ounces. You'll need some whole kernel corn, some beef broth, some spaghetti sauce of your choice, whatever kind's on sale or that you like, some minced onions, some chili powder, some garlic, some salt, pepper, 8 ounces of cheese, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. That is all you need. All right, we're going to get this can open. Oh, and this is my absolute #1 favorite can opener. It's called Swing Away. These things never break. I have never had one break. And I have used some of them like before they'd even start not going around the can good for like 10 years. I mean, they are just awesome. Just saying. All right. Now, see that white creamy? Yeah, we're going to get rid of that. Okay. And then we're going to put it in the pot. Okay. We're going to get that in the can. We're just going to drop that out. And there was some more of that in there. And we got to get that out. Do not like that. Okay, now we're just going to break that up. And I'm going to open my can of corn. As y'all can tell, this is a dump and go. So we're going to dump and go, including the juice. We're going to put that can of corn in there. We're going to dump the beef broth. That's 3½ cups of beef broth. 1 jar of whatever kind of spaghetti sauce you like. We're going to dump that. Need a ½ cup of minced onion. All right. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. A little bit of pepper. I'm not going to put salt in here yet because I'm not exactly sure how salty this is going to be with the ingredients already having salt in them. On a good high heat. and let that come to a boil. Okay, while we're waiting on this to boil, I'll just tell you a little story. You know, we had 5 kids, and in the early mid 80s, okay, it was tough. It was tough, and we had to figure out how to feed all these kids, and it had to come in it had to be made in a big pot, big this, big everything, because especially when they got to be teenagers. Oh my God, we thought we'd never survive teenage land. It's all about figuring out what you can afford and how to put it back. When it goes on sale, don't buy 1, buy 10. Put it up and do without something else that week to get that 10 that's on sale. Next week, something else goes on sale, get 10. Back it up, back it up. Eventually, you can just walk in your pantry and go, oh, I can make that. Oh, I can make that. Oh, we can just have, it takes so much stress off of you. You know, you're not running to the grocery store to get 2 items. You figure out what's in your cupboard, what you can do with what you got. So you're not burning gas to go do something dumb. You have it. That's really what you need to do. Okay, now we got boiling action. We're going to put our 8 ounces, or as close as I can get. Looks good to me. We're going to give that a stir. Now you're going to keep that at a rolling boil so we can cook that macaroni. According to box directions, usually it's about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, now occasionally you want to walk by, and give it a good stir. Make sure you're not sticking. If you're using no stick like this, you shouldn't, but just in case, give it a little stir every few minutes. Just keep an eye on it. We're just waiting for that macaroni to cook. All right, this is getting a little thick for me. It's not supposed to be quite this thick, so I'm just going to add some plain water. It's been boiling good and the water's evaporated, and I probably put a cup, but I need enough. There we go. I still got to finish cooking that macaroni. Okay, hang in there with me, guys. It's time to put our 8 ounces of cheese in here. We're going to turn that down to low, because all we want to do now is just melt that cheese. All right. We are going to plate this up now, or bowl it up. I'll put that goodness in a bowl. And then I saved some of the cheese, and I'm going to drop some more of that cheesy goodness on top. And enjoy your dinner. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the kitchen again. Bye.